So one little thing I have this error in here when it says object no instance. So the problem is this ignore collision script is actually creating too late. So let's fix this. We go inside the project script execution order and ignore collision. Let's set it to be here. Okay, and apply. So basically it would load before everything else. And yeah, now, what the fuck? Okay, so this is working. And oh, for some reason we can pass through the wall and stuff. Uh, this is interesting. Now, this actually has a rigid body. Okay. Mm, okay. Oh, I have an idea. So, uh, as long as if rigid body is kinematic, we actually don't want to do anything. And yeah, now with that, we could fix the issue. And let's try to pass. Yeah, okay. Now it's fine. Let's go inside and yeah, we can. So the last thing we want to do is disable the ability of grabbing things with the stickman that is not set to is me. So I would just add a private stickman controller, and here I want to get it. So controller get component in parent and stickman controller. Now as we did with the stickman controller, we just say if controller exists and not controller is me, we just return. Now another thing I want to do is I want to make the limb much stronger whenever we grab things with lots of colliders, like this stickman here, so we would actually be able to throw him out with all our force. So the way I'm gonna do it is whenever we are grabbing something, I will just use the uh, where is it? We have this added force. So what I want to do is actually set this added force to another value, and this would basically make our much stronger. So here let's go inside of this, and I want to know how many colliders in our parent. So here I would pass the call, and inside of here I would say I want float added force, add limb force, and here let's say it's gonna be 1, and inside of here we would say it's gonna be uh, equal to 1 plus call length and times some value, so let's say 1.1f. So let's even say, yeah, sure, should be fine. So for each collider we would just have one more. Oh, actually, let's leave it like that. Okay, now in here, if added force is greater than 1, we would want to say, yeah, we need the limb, so a private limb, and let's say limb is gonna be get component in parent. It's gonna be the limb. Now again, if limb, actually let's say and limb dot added force is times equals the added limb force. So if for some reason we are already adding force, so it would just be a multiplier, and this is it. This should actually do it. Now let's see. And okay, I guess it's too much. And let's say log with the power of, I don't know, 2 and times. So basically the more colliders there is, the less effective it is, and this should do it. Yeah, we have another issue. Our stickman has too little hip force. So let's add another value. Public is not the best, but whatever. And let's say in here, whenever we do with hip force, okay. Okay, so now what we would actually do, let's see if that actually works. Okay, that works much better. So one thing I wanna do is, as you can see, we are stacking inside the stickman, and to fix this, I am actually gonna just say, let's enable the colliders after a slight delay. So I Nominator enable delay, and we want ID, and we want a float time, and return yield, or is it yield return? You wait 4 seconds and time. And in here, let's say private void final enable and int ID. Now all this stuff is going inside of here, and this one says start current time and enable delay, let's say 0.5 seconds, or actually 1 second. And and the ID. Now this one is gonna do final enable and the actual ID. So whenever we call this method, it would actually remove the collisions or enable collisions after 1 second, and this should fix for the most part the issue when we are stuck inside something. Okay, so it works great. So yeah, see you next time.